This is a piano tutorial for the song Sound of Silence. This time we're doing it as a piano accompanist. So you don't need to play the melody. Your chord is going to be in your right hand this time. And in your left hand just simply plays the root note of the chord down low, the note the chord is named for. And this is a very simple tune, only 4 chords in it: F, C, B flat, and D minor. And it's 5 verses that just repeat themselves, so you learn how to play the verse and you got the whole song. So the first chord is going to be a D minor chord, and we're going to do this inverted. So your bottom note's going to be A, then you've got a D and an F on the top. Then when you go to the next chord, which is a C, you're just going to keep your hand in that position and just move it down 1 note. So the C chord is G, C, and E. The next chord is D minor, so you just move that up again. The next chord is an F chord, and all you got to do to change from D minor to F is change this middle note D down to C. So you go to that F chord there. The next chord is going to be the first one we're doing in root position. So you're on the B flat chord, you're going to have B flat, D, and F. And then you move it back to F by moving the top 2 or the bottom 2 down again to A, C, and F. And that does that change a couple of times. B flat, F, and then it goes to B flat again and down to F again. Then you've got a D minor, and all you got to do to change to that is move that middle note from C up to D. There's your D minor and your F again. And for C, you just move your fingers down to G, C, and E, and back up to D minor for the last one. Very, very simple. And as I said, you're just going to be doing the root note down low as a bass note. So when you're playing D minor, you're playing that D minor way down low like that. When you go to C, you're going down to that C note, back up to D. When you play the F, you're doing this, and then B flat, and that change there a couple of times, and then D minor. And you can alter it if you want, change, do D there or D there or whatever, C here. It's a judgment call artistically on your part, and you might want to vary that. So this is what it sounds like, and you sing on top of it. And I'm going to do this kind of a rhythm with the chord. All the way through the song, pretty much. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its songs while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound